Hello everyone. Today, let's see what Pakistan and Ghana have in common. At a first glance, not much, but both are single B- rated countries and both have returned to the international bond market recently. Pakistan is under an IMF program and hasn't issued in dollars since 2017. Ghana is a more regular issuer but has been forced since the pandemic to rely on its local market and its skyrocketing yields. Ghana, the first sub-Saharan country to return to the international bond market since the pandemic, has chosen to innovate by issuing, among classical tranches, a zero-coupon bond, the first of its kind for an African country. As a reminder, zero-coupon bonds are highly sensitive to interest movements, and in a context of rising rates, it's a bold gamble. Demand was low, appetite not ferocious, but order books covered barely twice the offer, which is a pale success compared to the $13.5 billion demand last year in February when Ghana issued $3 billion. But things have, of course, changed since then. Debt service has exploded and is costing Ghana 50% of its revenue, compared to a median of 11% for countries with the same rating. So a zero coupon is therefore a wonderful opportunity for the country, but not so much for the investors who prefer to receive regular interest payments for this type of quality. So the first few days of gloomy trading confirmed this feeling, and all tranches traded below their issued price, despite reasonable concession premiums. So that was not a great environment for Pakistan, who was issuing 24 hours later. But improving economic fundamental, the IMF program, and also fairly attractive borrowing terms were enough to offset the political risk in the investor's mind. Demand was reasonable, but what was impressive is the performance on the secondary market of the 30-year tranche, plus 3% on the price in one go. Why? Well, it could be because the concession premiums was too generous, or maybe because some investors prefer to wait until the bond was issued to buy it, or maybe a bit of both. In any case, this was a great start, enough to reassure the markets, and even benefited the bonds from Ghana, which have since risen. So what is the moral of this story? Well, the hunt for yield continues, and it encourages the risk-taking, and even if a critical eye has opened, it quickly closed to give into temptation. Thank you.